Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be unboxing two of the Gemini Jets Boeing 767-300 freighters in the FedEx Express livery. Let's go ahead and open them up. Here is the standard Gemini Jets box, and here is the info. So if you want to read that, you can go ahead and pause and read it. But both are identical in the standard Gemini Jets box. But they are in all white boxes, so they are in the FedEx standard box, because this, I believe, is exclusive to FedEx. Models by Gemini Jets is the all white with the orange stripe and then the blue tab. But let's go ahead and open one of them up. So it is still in the standard blue plastic for the actual insert where the plane is, but starting off here on the front of the plane, it says "The World on Time," which is FedEx's motto, and then we have FedEx Express, and then up here on the top we have a antenna, and there's two more antennas in the back. Then we have the engines here, the CF6 engines. Then we have the dual axle bogie landing gear for the back here, which does not tilt at all. Even though on the real 767s, they are, I wouldn't say one of a kind, but they have forward tilting landing gear as opposed to the normal backwards tilting landing gear. I will try and put a picture of that up. Sadly, I don't think I have a FedEx 767 picture, but I'll put an Amazon Prime 767 up with showing that tilted landing gear where it tilts forward. And then back here we have the registration of November 104 Foxtrot Echo. And then we have the purple near the rear and on the tail with the white and orange FedEx logo. And then on the bottom here, it is mostly gray with the purple on the back over the skid plate, and then the rear stabilizers, and the wings have a silver stripe running down the middle of the wing on the top and bottom of the wing. And then here we have the Gemini Jets logo as always, and then a hole for the stand. So let's go ahead and put this next to the Gemini Jets A321neo. Actually, first, I almost forgot, measurements. So this model is about 5.5 inches long, or about 4 centimeters long, or sorry, 14 centimeters long, not 4, and then a wingspan of I'd say 4 3/4 inches or 12 centimeters. So let's go ahead and put it next to the A321neo. So here now I took out the second FedEx 767, so now I have both of them out. And so the A321neo is kind of close to the same length. It is not the exact same length though, because the 767-300 is built to be longer, but the A321neo, I believe, is pretty close to the length of a 767-200. Now, I could be wrong about that, but it should be pretty close to the length, because a 757-300 is actually the same length as a 767-300. So, I think the 200 and 300s just kind of convert between the 757 and 767. To where the 757-200 is the same length as the 767-200, and the 757-300 is the same length as the 767-300. But here you can see the FedEx 76. It does not have winglets. I don't know why FedEx did this with theirs, but UPS, I think all of their new 767 freighters have winglets. But FedEx just, I guess, decided not to, because the plane that this is modeled after actually was built in 2013, so it's a relatively new plane. So, especially for freight, that's a very new aircraft. With this 767 being ordered by FedEx to replace the aging DC-10s and MD-10s, with the MD-11s kind of being included in there. But the 767s are definitely a freight workhorse for UPS and FedEx, and even DHL. DHL has a lot of 767s. And then even now, Amazon Prime, theirs is 737s and 767s. So the 767 freighter is a very big workhorse for the freight industry. But that should do it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!